If you're looking to track the exact location of your family members or friends using Google Maps or need to locate a missing person, there are a number of built-in features in Google Maps that can help you achieve this. Here are steps to set up and track the exact location of your family members or friends using Google Maps. Step 1. Ask for permission to share a location. To track someone's location on Google Maps, they need to share their location with you. Here's how they can do it. Open Google Maps on their iPhone or Android device. Tap their profile picture or initials at the top right. Select location sharing from the drop-down menu. Tap Share Location. Choose how long they want to share their location. Example, 1 hour until they turn it off, etc. Select your contact from their list of contacts or send a location sharing link via messaging apps like WhatsApp or SMS. Once they've shared their location, you'll be able to see their real-time location on your Google Maps apps. By following these steps, you should be able to set up and track the exact location of your family members or friends on Google Maps, helping you stay connected and ensuring their safety. Thanks for watching.